Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to upload SVG to your layer. So I'm on my GeoServer instance, localhost. And I go to styles and I try to add new style, and I have the SLD file already ready. So let us just test it. I do not give any workspace because I want it to be visible to all workspaces. And then what you need to choose is the style file. So this is SLD, so I've already made a style. Okay, let us select svg.sld. So this file sld.svg, you get it from QGIS. Alright, so let us first try to get this svg.svg.sld file from QGIS. Okay, so what we'll do is, okay, let me give some context. So we are working with this lakes layer. These lakes are Bangalore city lakes, more than 20 acres. So I have the symbology of a plane. Let us change it to something else. Okay, let us make okay, this golf thing. And then what I need to do is go to styles, save style, save as SLD, choose the path as svg.sld. It says already exists, click on OK and then OK. So we have our SLD file now. Let me just open the SLD file here in QGIS. So this is svg.sld and upload. Alright, so this is the file. So the important thing here is the xlink.href. So it gives this path, which is the absolute path of the file. Now, okay, let us first try to validate and save. It says no validation error, and I think it says okay, style saved. And if you preview, so it says unknown protocol error while inspecting the location of external graphic. So this is the issue with this happens because of the absolute path, and I was trying to solve it, and what I got is from the documentation. What it says is, if the file path of the symbol is relative, the file is looked under a GeoServer datadir/style. So we actually only need to provide the file name, say golf.svg, and here as well. And then what we have to do is save the golf.svg under GeoServer datadir/style. So this is an environment variable that you have set up when we were setting up the GeoServer instance. So in my case, the directory is okay. Let me just first copy the file and paste it. Okay, so this is the path, and then let me just paste it on this. And then I need to search for golf, so I need to copy this and take it to my datadir. So it is in program files, GeoServer bin, datadir. So this is the datadir, under that styles, and then here you have to paste it, golf.svg. So once you've done this, and then you can go back to your instance, and what it will do is it will search under style/golf.svg, and in this case it will find it. So we just validate and apply, then check the preview, and there you go. You see the golf symbology here, and then you can go ahead and apply it to your layers. Say I want to apply to this point of interest, and then I go to publishing. Under publishing, I select the newly created SVG. There you go. So save it. Once I've saved, go to layer preview. I have already opened, so let me just reload, and there you go. So this is, so the important takeaway is, if you are uploading a SLD file, what you have to do is, once you upload the SLD file, change the xlink href to the relative path and save the SVG under data_styles. So here it is, all the other files which are already there will be saved here.